In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write with Squarespace AI, step by step, so you can create polished, on-brand website copy much faster. If you've ever struggled with writing homepage text, service descriptions, or product blurbs, this feature can save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Squarespace guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the page you want to work on. Once you're in, switch to edit mode on any page. This is where Squarespace lets you make changes directly to your website content. Now click inside any active text block. If you don't already have one, you can add a new block by clicking Add Block, then choosing Text. As soon as the text block is active, you'll see a floating text format toolbar appear over your cursor. This toolbar is where Squarespace keeps several editing and AI tools, so keep an eye on it. On the far left side of that floating toolbar, click the Squarespace AI icon. It looks like 3 overlapping circles. That icon opens the AI writing assistant, which is built to help you generate copyright inside your site. After clicking it, the AI prompt window will appear. Inside that window, look for the small information icon, the little I symbol on the right side. Click that icon to open the brand identity panel. This is an important step because it helps Squarespace understand what your business is about and what kind of writing style fits your brand. In the brand identity panel, type a short description of your site or business. For example, you might describe your company, your services, your audience, or the kind of message you want your site to communicate. The more specific you are, the better the AI can match your brand voice. Next, choose a personality tone. Squarespace gives you several preset options like friendly, professional, bold, or minimalist. Pick the one that best fits your website. If none of the presets feel quite right, you can choose custom and type your exact vibe yourself. This is especially useful if you want your copy to sound more unique, more premium, or more casual. Once you've set your brand identity and tone, click Save. That locks in your preferences so the AI can generate text that feels consistent with the rest of your website. Now you have 2 ways to continue. You can either type your own prompt, or you can use one of the quick pre-built prompt starters below the box. Squarespace gives you options like paragraph, sales pitch, or blurb, which are great when you want a fast starting point. These prompt starters are especially helpful if you're unsure how to phrase your request. Once you choose a prompt or type your own, click the Write button. Squarespace AI will instantly generate copy and place it directly inside your text block. From there, you can review the result, edit it, shorten it, expand it, or regenerate it until it sounds just right. The best part is that you don't need to start from a blank page, which makes writing so much easier and faster. A good tip is to use the AI for first drafts, then personalize the wording so it matches your exact offer and brand voice. That way, your site still feels human, but you save a lot of time in the process. And that's how to write with Squarespace AI. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.